Estimate Guide provides access to look up labor, parts, maintenance, and fluids to create basic estimates. Labor rates, taxes, fees, and printing options are stored in Shop Settings. For a detailed review of these settings, watch the Quotes video. Users can select from categories or use the search bar. Enter water pump and then click this icon or just press Enter. Since this search narrowed to a single category, we can go directly to Water Pump Remove and Replace and select it by clicking Add. Please note that Add changes to Remove, providing an easy undo function. The labor time is added to the worksheet and the labor amount, according to labor rate set, is reflected in the running totals below. Click on Parts and see the previous search filtering was remembered. Select Water Pump and click Add. This adds the part to the worksheet and adds the parts dollar amount to the running totals below. Part numbers displayed are OEM with list pricing. Note: if moving into maintenance or fluids with a previous search term still visible, click the X to clear out the search box. This will ensure proper display of maintenance and fluids information. Depending on vehicle selected, maintenance information will be available for indicator, mileage, or timed service schedules. Clicking Add next to the labor time will add it to the worksheet. The charge for maintenance will be added to the labor running totals. To include the multi-line service details to be printed as notes, click the Other Add button provided. Fluid types and capacities are displayed by application. Any of these can be added to the quote worksheet by clicking on Add. Scrolling to Engine Coolant and clicking Add copies it to the worksheet. Once priced out in the Quotes module, the fluids prices will be added to parts in the running totals. Clicking on View Quote toggles to the Quote screen to edit the fluids and potentially add your own labor, parts, or sublet items. This is the screen where the estimate is finalized as a quote, with or without customer information.